what's up? We here today in beautiful place in Turkey. It's called Marmaris. Today is a closed event for public and it's a World Rally Championship. They're about to start the ceremony and Go Turkey was nice enough to take us here. Bunch of cool creative people. We took a boat and it took another couple hours to get here on a boat, and now we're finally here and it's about to start. I'm super excited. They had a bunch of planes flying around from Red Bull. I hope to get close-up shots of them riding around and maybe some drone shots, and hopefully I'm not gonna crash any drones today, so wish me luck. So today is day 2 and we finally here at the spot. I believe this is where they start. This is a little lunch they set up for us where we can view the cars. Let me show you where they start. So come over here. This is where they're gonna go through, and I just have like 2 shots that I want to take here. It's the slow motion with my 1/21st per second of the rocks flying out of the car. I hope I can get it. And then also the drone shot. We got the permission, so let me show you guys the food options here. We got all the goodies here, anything you can pick. The Turkish food is the best food in the world, like no kidding. All the delicious stuff here is so good. There are about 30 cars so far. We just saw 5 cars coming through. And we're gonna be here until all the 30 come through, and then we go to the beach and big boat. Finally made it. This is our boat, and I don't think I've ever been on a boat like this in my entire life. Oh my god, are you serious? That's crazy. Check this freaking out. Wow, that is nuts. That is the boat. That's nuts. So this is inside of this boat. What the hell? This is the room inside of the boat. Are you kidding me? This is inside of the boat. Okay? It's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. It's alright, so let's move on. It's alright, so let's move on. It's alright. So unfortunately, unfortunately we have to leave our boat. So bye. We are going back from the boat to the elevator, and they are taking us on this little golf cart because it's so hard to walk after spending the whole day on the yacht. You know what I mean? No, I'm just joking. I'm not that lazy. But right now I'm kind of lazy, so I'd rather do this, okay? Woo! It is so pretty here. It's insane. Those flowers on the side, I don't know what are they. I'm not a fan of... Look at this, it's an Audi Q8. I'm a big fan of Audi, but Tesla next year. Tesla this year. I like electric, starting from this golf cart. It is day 3 and today is the final day for the race. And we're here at this little spot with Red Bull. And they're gonna stop here for a little bit and they're gonna go for the final stage to do the last round of the race. So they keep moving us from location to location because they don't allow us to be here, I guess. So we were there, the gas station here, I don't know, and I don't know where we're going. Apparently, we were not supposed to be here. Hello! Because this place is full of police and they're not letting us stay here, so we are going somewhere else. And we finally made it. This is our new little location lounge where we finally get to see the cars, and I'm not sure if this is the track. Okay, that's the track right here. I wonder if they're gonna go through this because that looks super cool. So I suppose they come from here and go to this puddle of water and go there. That's sick. About 12 stages of the race here, and we are in one of the locations, and cars have to go through about 400 miles distance for the whole race. There are cars from all around the world, from Germany, from England, from you name it. And the cars are pretty small, like Toyotas, Hyundais, but they're super fast, and they go through rocks and puddles like nothing. We're just trying to get a shot with a car, but we kind of not allowed to get close to them, so. We're just kind of like sneaking in and trying to get the best shots we can as they drive in through, so. I wish we could fly the drone, but not today, but I'm still happy with what we got, so let's go, let's see. It's coming. Right there. Right now we are at the service park. The service park is kind of like where they get maintained, I guess, and everything gets checked for the cars, so it's kind of like a huge parking lot where all the cars are being at. This guy is just casually carrying a bumper. Just casually carrying a bumper. Nothing crazy. This way.
Evet, takım çalışanlarımız, ekip de burada. Zaten kupaları taşımak için yardıma ihtiyaç var. İyi ki geldiniz.
I guess that is it. That is it for us. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the vlog. Till the next time, peace! Well, this is it. This trip came to an end. Thank you so much to the Goat Turkey team for taking us on this incredible adventure, for giving us such an experience. I am definitely coming back. Cheers to all of you guys with some chai tea, and of course thank you to all the people who were with us. You guys are incredible, so many talented, creative people. It was so great to just spend and share the time with you and share these such a cool moment with so talented and cool people. Peace out. Hopefully I see you on the next trip. Peace.